Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make quick and easy whipped cream. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 cup of cold heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, make sure you have a chilled mixing bowl and a whisk or electric mixer ready. These basic items are all you need for a delightful, fluffy topping. Now, let's get started with the preparation. First, place your mixing bowl and whisk in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. This helps the cream whip up beautifully. Once chilled, pour 1 cup of very cold, heavy cream into your bowl. Then, gently add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. These simple additions will give your whipped cream the perfect sweetness and aroma. With your ingredients combined, it's time to whip. Begin on a low speed to avoid any splatters, then gradually increase to medium-high. Keep whipping until you see soft peaks form, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. The cream should hold its shape but still be light and airy. Be careful not to overwhip, or you might end up with butter instead of fluffy cream. Your delicious, homemade whipped cream is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it immediately on your favorite desserts, fruits, or hot beverages. If you have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and refrigerate. It will stay fresh and delightful for up to 2 days. This easy recipe ensures you always have a perfect, fluffy topping on hand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.